Got a lesson for you from Lil Tjay. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Call on My Phone. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. And subscribe for lessons from this artist. And if you're looking for tabs, you can find them at guitarpowerup.com. There's a link in the description below. So this entire song is made up of 4 chords, the first of which is a G major chord. So for this, you're going to place your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the low E string, your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, and your pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the high E string. Next is an E minor chord. So for this, you're going to place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string and your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the D string. Next is a B minor chord. So for this, you're going to bar the 2nd fret from the A string with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 4th fret of the D string, your pinky finger on the 4th fret of the G string, and your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. Then you're going to go back to the E minor chord. And it does that twice. Then back to the B minor chord, which we already learned. And then we're going to go to a D major chord. So for this, you're going to place your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, and your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the high E string, and you're going to strum from the D string. And it repeats, and all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for Call on My Phone. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.